Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Samsung TV. Resetting your television can be incredibly helpful for a variety of reasons. Perhaps your TV is acting a little sluggish, freezing occasionally, or experiencing minor software glitches. A simple reset can often resolve these common performance issues, bringing your TV back to optimal working condition. It's also essential if you're planning to sell or give away your television, ensuring all your personal data is completely erased. First, let's cover the easiest method, a soft reset, also known as a power cycle. This simple step can often fix minor issues without erasing any settings. Begin by turning off your Samsung TV with the remote. Next, unplug the power cord directly from the wall outlet. It's crucial to wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This allows the TV to fully discharge. Finally, power on your TV and see if the problem is gone. If a soft reset doesn't work, a factory reset is the next step, but be aware this will erase all your personalized settings and downloaded apps. To do this, go to your TV's settings menu. From there, select General and then choose Reset. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN. The default is usually 4 zeros. Confirm your choice, and your TV will restart, returning to its original factory state. Before performing a factory reset, remember that it will erase all your personal data, settings, and downloaded applications. Make sure you have any login details for your streaming services or other accounts handy, as you'll need to re-enter them. While some models allow backing up settings, it's not universal. If your TV continues to experience problems even after a full factory reset, it's best to contact Samsung customer support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.